Just come home. I can feel my body turn.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the post notification bell for my channel down below as well, to be notified of all of my future uploads. So today's video, I will be talking about this hair on my head. This hair was sent to me from Ollie Julia. This is my second time working with Ollie Julia. They sent me 4 bundles of 16-inch Malaysian curly hair, as well as one 16-inch matching closure Malaysian curly as well. When I opened the box, I received my hair, of course, the frontal and the bundles, and I also received a weaving cap inside the box. So when I first unpackaged the frontal, the hairline was pre-plucked, but it wasn't as natural looking as I wanted it to be, so I had to go in and pluck way more hairs from the frontal, and I will post a picture for you guys to see how it looked before and then during the process of me plucking it, and then after I finished plucking the hair. It looked so much better after I finished plucking the hair, as you can see. And then I did go ahead and bleach the knots as well to make it look completely natural, and this hair looks so good up close. Because I did bleach the knots, it did shed a little bit, but it wasn't excessive shedding. Anytime you bleach knots on a frontal, you're going to have to expect it to shed, because frontals are really delicate and the knots get damaged when you put bleach on it, and it does, you know, loosen and fall out. That pretty much is why it sheds. So if you are planning to bleach a frontal in the future, make sure that you get like a knot sealant to seal the knots first, and that will help lessen the amount of shedding that you get. But as far as the wefts, I got very minimal shedding from it, and this is 3 bundles that I used. I was thinking about cutting it into like a bob, like a curly bob, but because I am selling this wig after this video, it is available now if you're interested. The information will be down below. Because I am selling this wig, I did not want to cut it. It is really beautiful, especially at this length. I think it looks really natural. With curly hair, it is really important to make sure that you use a leave-in conditioner, a really good nourishing conditioner, because curly hair needs moisture. So make sure that if you are getting this texture, that you are keeping the hair moisturized and you are, you know, co-washing it and you are detangling. So after sewing the bundles and the frontal onto the wig cap, I did go ahead and dye this hair jet black. A lot of people have been asking me how I dye my wigs jet black, so I decided to do a video on that. If you're interested in seeing the full tutorial, I will have the link here for you guys to click on. But, okay, so after I dyed the hair jet black, I did go ahead and use the LOC method, the leave-in, which, where is my leave-in? Oh, I don't know where the leave-in is, but I did use a leave-in conditioner. I used a penetrating oil. This is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I really do love this stuff. It's extra penetrating oil for dry and coarse hair. I love the way that curls look when they're shiny, when they're jet black, when they're like bouncy. I think it looks really beautiful. So I used this, and then to define the curls a little bit more, I went in with my Eco Styler Cocktail. This is their Superfruit Curl Complex. I got this from Target. This stuff looks like a cream, but it holds like a gel. I would say that this stuff holds like the other Eco Styler, the green one, the olive oil one, the green tub. When I put it on the hair did get really flat, so I decided to go in with my, I love this thing, you guys. This is my Curly Pops diffuser, and I diffused the hair, basically just, you know, going like this and making the hair bigger and giving it more body and drying the hair as well. So I definitely recommend this. I think I got this from Ulta or somewhere online. So you guys need to get this. If you have curly natural hair, or if you really love wearing curly wigs and weaves, I definitely recommend this because it cuts the drying time in half. So 2 important things to have when you have curly hair is a good detangling comb. I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply Store. I live for this comb. Even my own kinky curly natural hair, I use this comb to detangle it with. It's amazing, and it really does do a great job at detangling curls, kinks, and coils. So definitely check this out at your local Sally's Beauty Supply. And also, of course, you need a Denman brush to help the curls pop as well if you wanted them to be really defined. Of course, I use this on my natural hair as well. And any curly wig, any wavy wig that I have, I use this Denman brush as well. I do have a video on how I modified the Denman brush because it is modified. I removed 3 rows from it. I will put the video here or down below in the description box for you guys to check out if you are interested in seeing just how this works and how to modify it yourself. This also came from Sally's too, by the way. So another favorite product of mine when I have curly hair is this curl hydration spray. I got this thing from Target and I love to refresh my curls in the morning with this curl hydration spray. This is the first time that I am wearing this particular wig, but whenever I do have wigs and I have them on my nightstand after a long day of wear, or if it's glued down into my head, I like to use this to refresh the curls in the morning. And yeah, this is pH balanced, it's vegan, and it's natural. And I definitely do recommend this. This is by OBIA Naturals. So your bundles come packaged like this. When you open up your package to reveal the bundle, it does smell like shampoo, and I do like the smell of that. But I did notice with their bundles that the top half of the bundle where the weft is going downwards is a looser texture, and then at the very bottom, the very ends of the bundles are very tight. And I feel like that makes it look a lot more natural because it's like looser at the top and then tight at the bottom. Everyone's hair texture is different. You have different textures all throughout your natural hair. And I feel like when you have a wig or weave and the textures are different throughout, it might be a, you know, a tighter curl at the top and a looser curl at the bottom. I feel like that looks a lot more natural because the textures are different. So that didn't bother me at all. However, the frontal is a lot looser than the actual bundles. So definitely keep that in mind as well. This is a 16-inch length, and the shorter bundles typically are a lot fuller than longer bundles. So depending on which length you end up getting, you would need about 3 to 4 bundles, depending on if you got a frontal or a closure. To complete the whole wig, I would say you would be safe with about 3 to 4 bundles. So to apply this wig, I ended up using this yellow bottle of Got To Be. This is my very first time ever using the yellow bottle. Usually I use the black tube or whatever. And there are pros and cons to this. I feel like this does a really good job at becoming tacky really quick. So the wig does like attach to your hair fast, but at the same time it is a white cream, I would say, and that whiteness, when it dries, it does have like some white residue that it leaves on your hairline, which I don't like. So I did go ahead and I applied the argan oil that I used on the hair, and I put some of that over the white areas that I noticed, and then I got a wet rag and then I just dabbed that on top of it, and I put my headscarf on again, and when I took the headscarf off, all of that white residue was completely gone. So if you do have that issue with that, that definitely works. I used my, of course, trusted Gorilla Snot gel to apply my baby hairs, and yeah, those are plastered down on my head anyway. They ain't going nowhere. This is my holy grail for any type of wig, any type of baby hairs is Gorilla Snot. Y'all should know that though. This is pretty much the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all of the information down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!